Hello everyone, Luke here. Just thought I'd make a little video instead of writing to make things a bit more exciting. Hello. I am going to talk to you today about one of the more boring aspects of my job, which is why I thought I would make a video. I feel pretty strange doing this. But the other day we talked about I talked about thinning, which is where they remove some trees to let the other ones grow. And you can see here they've been through with the machines and they've taken out a row down there. You can see, I think the battery's going to die. You can see there's more light coming in now from above. I'm just going to show you a little tool which we use to work out how many trees are left after they've been through. It's called a Reloscope. I'm just taking it out of this little metal container. It is essentially a stick with a chain on it, and it looks like this. It looks a bit like a metal tampon actually, if you like to be that vulgar. And basically what you do is, it works through the magic of maths and science, and you hold it up, you hold this end up to your eye, the little bobbly end. So I'll hold that up to my eye, like so. It's quite hard to do without a tripod. And the other end goes up, you hold that in front of you, so imagine, it's sort of too far away, but you hold it up to the tree and you go around in a circle and you count everything that's bigger than the little magic wand at the end. You count as one, so that's one in front of me. Everything that's equal to the wand you count as a half, and everything that's smaller you don't count. So I go 1, 1.5, blah blah, 2.5, 3.5, etc. You get the point. So then you do that for all the trees around you in a circle, and then you keep going. You note down for each plot, you note down in your little form here, as I've began to do. You note down on the left is what I count to, and there's some sort of maths. You multiply it by 2 and you get this number, and you work out an average for your plot for your whole site, add them together, divide them by the amount of plots you've done, and that gives you a figure. And that figure should, in theory, be the amount of trees that are left in that area. So then we know whether they've been too heavy or not taken enough, and then we can go and tell them if they're doing it right. That's pretty much it, but you can imagine counting in halves, holding this little metal thing up to your eye, after a couple of hours gets pretty kind of repetitive and boring, and you kind of want to insert it somewhere where the sun doesn't shine. But that thing's called a Reloscope anyway, and it helps you to work out whether you've taken enough timber out in your thinnings or not. So it's just something which helps us to make sure we're doing the job properly, basically. I hope that makes some kind of sense. Like my little hat, my high-vis jacket, this is my safety gear. Here comes a lorry. There's a tractor. So there you go. There's a tractor. Meow. Yeah, so Reloscope and thinning, and I'll try the next time I do a video, I'll try and make a bit more sense, because that was a bit half cut, something like that. I'm not half cut. I promise. So there you go. I'm sure there was something else I was going to say, but I can't remember now. Yeah. Bye.